Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency. So in order to buy cryptocurrency, you can use any crypto apps such as Binance, you can use Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and all sort of things. In this case I'm going to use Binance, but for you, whichever is familiar to you or convenient for you, you can use that. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Open up your Binance application or log into your account. So once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So in order to buy cryptocurrency, first thing first, you'll have to make sure that you have already linked your bank account, and along with that you have enough funds. Now to begin with the buying process, first of all, what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and select the trade button located right at the bottom. Now from there you can see there's a drop down menu, so click on buy. So as soon as you click the buy button, next interface, you need to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. So in my case I'm going to go with Bitcoin. On the other interface, you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to pay. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter in the amount. After that, you need to select the currency type as well. After you're done selecting the currency type, so click the buy button located right at the bottom. So first of all, you need to go ahead and enter in the amount and click the buy button located right at the bottom. Now you need to select the payment method, so whichever is convenient for you, select that and click the confirm button. After that, you'll be able to see that you've successfully bought cryptos. In that way, you can buy crypto. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.